Christmas Eve, Old Nick's a goner. We'll be snacking on deer, eating Blitzen and Donna. Not a question of when, not even a maybe. Have a drunk Miss Claus say they jingle and baby. It's a new meaning to ho ho ho. Shake that ass, girl, bumping booty in the snow. Watch out, Santa, you jolly old troll. We'll be stripping that shit to coal. Friend, grab Rudolph's horns to see how far they bend. When his nose turns red, his ass gets sent back out to the woods with his faggy elf friend. Oh, Santa Claus wouldn't list me as nice. In fact, he'll have me listed as naughty twice. Not because of the fights of the Christmas gift heist, but because of all the nog I left on his wife. It's time for old Nick to move very tired, or we roast his nuts on a big ass fire. Yes, I'm that bad. Yes, I'm that crude. I mean, your ass is huge. Lose weight for real, dude. All the cookies and milk, simply quite sick. I mean, when's the last time you seen your dick? I don't mean to throw a fit, and I'm not one to bitch, but every year I get underwear, socks, and shit.
Jingle bells, jingling all the way.
Check it out.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a drop-top Chevrolet. Jingle bells, jingling all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride from Detroit to East LA. Hey, jingle bells, jingling all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a drop-top Chevrolet. Jingle bells, jingling all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride from Detroit
Merry Christmas!